Finally! Guatemala! Can you guys believe we're actually here?
Look at all the colors outside the window. Mom, see the little market stalls?
Wow, even from here, the streets look so alive. I hope the food is as amazing as the city looks.
Dad! Dad! Can we see a volcano today? I want to see a real one.
Slow down, buddy. We just landed. Let's check in first and explore a little.
This place is huge! Look at all the decorations!
This palace has been here since the 18th century. Imagine all the history it has witnessed.
Like kings and queens?
Not quite, Alex, but presidents and big events. Here, try the pepian. It's a traditional Guatemalan stew.
Spicy, spicy, but so tasty. I don't like this green sauce.
Give it a chance, buddy. You might end up loving it.
To our first night in Guatemala. History, adventure, and family fun.
Cheers! Do you think ghosts live in the palace? Maybe. Old history ghosts.
It's like a fairy tale town. Look at the cobblestone streets. Every building feels like it has a story to tell.
Okay, everyone, picture time.
Smile! I'm making my silly face.
Dad, can we explore that church next?
Oh.
Sure. La Merced Church is next. You'll love it.
It's glowing with sunlight. Like magic.
Do you think ghosts live here? Maybe, but only history ghosts.
See how they roast the beans? That's why Guatemalan coffee smells so amazing.
I can't drink it, but I love the smell.
I'm buying scarves. The patterns are incredible.
Can I have a mask, Mom? Pretty please?
We'll see, little explorer. Let's finish exploring first.
Dad, look! I'm climbing this tiny wall.
Ha! You look like a little monkey.
Mom, look at the mountains. And the lake is sparkling.
This view. I could just sit here all day.
Look at the houses. They're so colorful. Mom, can we meet some locals? I want to learn about their culture.
Of course. Let's talk to those women weaving. Each pattern tells a story about our village and ancestors. Wow, like magic in the cloth.
Do they have monkey stories too?
Yes, children. The jungle is full of stories.
Ready to paddle?
Yes, I feel like a pirate.
I'm steering. Watch out!
Hold on, you two. Don't tip the boat.
This is magical. Look at the colors on the water.
Best day ever.
I saw a fish jump. Did you see it, Mom?
I did. What a perfect ending to our lake adventure.
It feels like Jurassic Park here. Look at all the trees.
I want to find hidden treasure. Let's go!
Careful, son. Watch the stones.
Look at Temple Fee. Who wants to climb it?
Me! I want the view.
Careful, everyone. Watch your step.
I'm an archaeologist. I found hidden treasure.
Oh my gosh, the jungle goes on forever.
I'm an archaeologist. I found hidden treasure.
The Mayans were incredible. These temples are hundreds of years old.
I can't believe we're here, seeing history.
I feel like we're in a time machine.
Dad, look! A lizard. I'll call him Speedy.
Haha, you're naming every animal today.
Golden light everywhere. Magical.
Best place to end the day.
Mom, look! A real monkey! And a toucan. Its beak is huge.
Nature is incredible here.
Ready for ziplining?
I'm going first.
Whee! I'm scared. Okay, oh. Woo!
Watch the river carefully. Crocodiles live here, but far away.
Don't let them eat me!
This is like an adventure movie.
Let me tell you a Mayan legend. Long ago, the gods created the world with maize.
Wow, like a storybook. Are there monsters?
Only clever heroes and spirits.
I love listening under the stars.
I don't want to leave. Best trip ever. Me neither, but I'm taking my mask and hat everywhere.
These souvenirs will remind us of every amazing place.
From the colorful streets to ancient ruins, we've seen history, nature, and culture.
Kayaking, ziplining, climbing temples, and monkeys. We made memories for a lifetime.
Absolutely. Guatemala, you've been magical.
We'll return, but for now, let's keep Guatemala in our hearts.
Yeah.